I'm recording.
I think the ribbon goes down.
Are you recording?
Why are you recording already?
It's okay. We'll cut off the part later.
Left hand?
Left. I'm positive. Are you recording?
Yeah, how do we zoom in?
You can't zoom in during the video. Okay? Okay, now, Jenny. Way to be prepared, Sal. You know this is going on YouTube. Just kidding.
Wait, how does this...
No, that comes out.
I know, but how do you put it on?
Okay.
I think you just...
Hurry up, you guys.
I know how to put it on. Don't block it.
But it's gonna hurt me.
Does anyone know how to put it
Just
on?
run for the video.
Oh.
Wait, but how do I put it on?
I don't know. Just figure out.
Mother?
Like right here.
Left.
Right there.
Yeah,
Oh,
his left.
God.
Yeah, you're right.
Wait,
Does it go-
all the way through?
Hurry up.
Wait, but how does it go? Oh my goodness.
Don't make holes for no reason.
Yeah, I gotta return this.
You gotta be...
What?
Yeah, screw that. I'm not gonna buy it.
Wait, so do I just put it all the way through and then put the...
Not man.
And then put the thing on it? I put this on it? Is that what I'm supposed to do?
I don't know.
How do I do it
Just do it for now for the video.
Oh my goodness.